In this video, you will learn how to download and install the Dialux Evo software free of cost, which will be the latest version. You have to pay nothing. You can download and install your Dialux Evo free of cost. Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. This is our lecture number 3 of our free course Dialux Evo, and in this lecture we will show you how to install the Dialux Evo software free of cost and how you can download Dialux Evo software free of cost. You have to go to your Chrome browser and go to the site www.dial.de and enter. This is the Dialux Evo where you can download the software. Here it is Dialux Evo 3.10 out now. Download free of charge. So you can download here and directly you can click here and download your Dialux Evo software. I have already downloaded. You can download here. Right click here. You can click here and the software will get downloaded. Now we can go to Dialux Evo. You can see this is the Dialux Evo. You can also download the Dialux Evo software here. This is the Dialux Evo details about some details. You can read these details about this Dialux Evo software and then go to the pricing. You can see the pricing. There are one is the free plan and another is the unlock the non-members and pro. You can download the free plan. Okay, you can see this free plan. This is the free plan, Dialux Evo free plan. Okay, now I want to show you checklist. What are the checklists? I will click again. 1 minute. This is the checklist. You can see here the checklist. In the free, you can plan with over 2.5 million luminaires, more than 400 Dialux members. This is the checklist. You can check verification of international norms and standards. Everything is in this Dialux free plan. In non-member free plan, one thing is extra, that plan with the luminaires from other manufacturers. And these are the regions. Now I want to show you what is the basic requirement of the Dialux Evo software. What should be your Dialux, what should be your uh, what is called this is the hardware system. Hardware it is released in 17/12/2024, and your hardware requirements are it should be a 4 GB RAM minimum. 4 GB RAM minimum is 2 GB required. You can see here minimum is 2 GB required, but I recommend you should have higher than 4 GB RAM. If you have 8 GB RAM, that is very good. And the second is you should have OpenGL 3.2 graphics card, 1 GB RAM. Okay, and then there is a Windows 10 version 8103 and Windows 11, and resolution should be 1920 into 1080. Languages in which Dialux will be English, Dutch, and there are other languages. Luminaires, more than 400 luminaires are available in the free version of Dialux Evo. Okay, this is the some Africa. These are the other things you can read on here. I have already downloaded my Dialux Evo in here. I will show you. I have already downloaded it. This I have already one. I have also downloaded Dialux Evo 313. I can double click on it. Welcome to this. Okay, next. Let us wait. It is going to finish now. Wait some minute. Okay. Okay. It is in external feed. This is the Dialux Evo. I have clicked here. Allow drag and drop of content into the Dialux Evo. You should also allow it so that you can directly copy, drag and drop the content from the uh, web and into the Dialux Evo. You don't have to load this. So you can directly copy that. Finish. This is my Dialux Evo software. I can double click and check his open. Wait. This is the interface of Dialux Evo. This is my some already work. I have worked some already projects. Here I can load more projects which I have already done in the previous version. Thank you.